Hi there, my name is Keith Halliday and I am the Estates Manager with responsibility for cleaning staff here at Queen's University. It's my job to briefly explain what cleaning protocols are in place for the forthcoming academic year, and with the help of the Students' Union President, what you can all do to play your part. Firstly, I should emphasise that because we know how this virus travels and how long it is active on surfaces, that social distancing, hand washing and face coverings are the primary mechanisms to reduce the spread of coronavirus. However, by thorough and effective cleaning, we can also reduce the likelihood of the virus even being on the surfaces that we all touch, and that's what my staff are trained to do. All the campus cleaning staff are trained in the techniques and materials needed to eliminate the virus. We have the products that we need and we are using them right across the campus. We have enhanced our cleaning regime so that the high traffic areas and the communal areas such as teaching rooms, social spaces and study spaces are being disinfected. This includes cleaning the touch points such as door handles at least twice a day. Other areas such as office spaces will be cleaned as regularly as always, and again their touch points will be disinfected twice per day. We are using specific chemicals that we know are effective against the virus. We do of course have to balance these enhanced cleaning protocols with what is practical to allow the university to operate. Therefore, it is essential that all members of the community play their part.
You can do your bit to protect yourself and others by wiping down the surfaces that you're using both before and after use. Wipes and sanitizer spray are available across campus, including in all teaching rooms, the library and the union. When you arrive in a teaching, study or workspace, please wipe down the surfaces you use, like the desk, and do the same again before you leave, so it's clean for the next person. This also applies to staff in office areas, including kitchens and shared spaces.
You can be assured that the cleaning teams are working really hard to provide everyone on the Queen's campus with as much protection as possible by cleaning the surfaces regularly and effectively. If we can do our bit, then we can minimise the potential spread of infection and keep each other safe. Thanks for listening.